Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. The lock screen is the first interface that users see when they boot or lock their Windows 11 computer. It displays useful information, including the date and time, weather, the latest news, and several other widgets. It also acts as a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to a computer. To close the lock screen and switch to the Windows sign-in screen, the user needs to click the mouse or press any key. Many users prefer to disable the lock screen to streamline the login process, ensuring the sign-in prompt appears immediately without requiring a mouse click or key press. In Windows 11, users can find the methods by which they can sign into their computer. Go to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Unfortunately, there is no option to disable the lock screen. There is also no such option under the lock screen personalization section. In Windows 11, the lock screen display can only be disabled via local policy settings or the registry. Open the local group policy editor and navigate to the computer configuration, then administrative templates, then control panel, then personalization. In the list of policy settings, find the Do Not Display the Lock Screen item. This policy allows you to hide the lock screen from the Windows login screen. Enable the policy and save the changes. To apply the new group policy settings, either run the gpedit command or restart the computer. This policy creates the null screen registry entry and sets its value to 1. This registry item can be created manually. In this case, it is not necessary to configure it via the local group policy settings. Now let's lock the computer. As shown, the lock screen is no longer displayed, and users immediately see the sign-in screen with the list of available accounts. The same thing happens when I boot up the computer. The Windows login prompt appears immediately. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.